I am Sahana, founder of Samuka. Samuka is an handloom brand mainly focused on the handlooms of India. So we are taking one handloom at a time. Currently, we are obsessed with Odisha handloom. Actually, I am from Odisha myself, and we are exploring Odisha handloom, trying to bring contemporary designs through Samuka in Odisha handloom. I have not uploaded a video because I was confused like what kind of long form content should I make, and for that I have totally missed making a video. And today it's an eventful day, so I thought I'll vlog it, trying something new. So today actually is a early morning over here. We are actually going to a craft village, headed to a craft village. And as you might know that working in handloom means it doesn't happen in cities, it happens in the remote villages of India. That is one of the challenges and also the beauty. And I feel like meeting the weavers, going into these villages, uh, that actually inspires me a lot. Like you are actually seeing or being the part of a change. Handloom is basically you are part of a social movement, and I am always grateful to be working in that field. It feels like I'm bringing a change through my work, and that is a very good form of reassurance I give myself when working or building Samuka. So we'll quickly get ready, and I'll tell you like where we are headed. If you know that Odisha is actually famous for is Sambalpuri Ikat, like the Ikat of Odisha is quite famous, and that happens in Badgar. So we are not actually headed towards that. We are actually going to Gopalpur, and Odisha is famous for Sambalpuri or Ikat, but Odisha also has another very famous craft, that is tussar weaving, which happens in Gopalpur. Though it is known for Sambalpuri, but Gopalpur tussar weaves are also very famous, and so we are going today towards Gopalpur, to Gopalpur to explore the village, and to meet the artisans, like what is the craft about, and how we can make our designs, or to explore basic. So you might have heard about Gopalpur from a tourist perspective, like there is a beach in Gopalpur, and but there are actually two Gopalpurs in Odisha, and the one which is famous for beach is actually not the one which is famous for weaving. So this is in towards Cuttack, and this is a separate village. It's in the Jajpur district, and so this village is basically famous for is tussar production, and the weavers are quite equipped and quite skilled in weaving tussar saris. So Gopalpur tussar saris are quite famous. So we are going to explore that. Since we already love Odisha handloom and we are working in Sambalpuri Ikat, the moment I saw Gopalpur Tussar saris or Gopalpur Tussar, I instantly fell in love with it, and I knew that I had to explore this weave or this fabric. And so I have been actually touch with Gopalpur weavers, and this time we are going to meet them, and dive in deeper into the weaving culture of Gopalpur. So if you have seen or felt it in real life, so it's a very lively fabric. I feel that I kind of sometimes like it more than silk, and because in the very raw form, it's the raw form of silk, and that is the unprocessed raw form of silk, and the uneven textures, the coloring, everything I feel makes the fabric alive. So So I was quite fascinated with the fabric and how it feels, and so like I thought like I have to work in it. Though I have started this vlog, I don't know how much I'll be able to show you, because like when we visit to remote villages, and especially when we are initially visiting and talking with weavers, it's very awkward to just put a camera towards them, or put record something which they are doing, because basically these are the homes of weavers, and this is not any workplace or something else. This is their usual life. So we go and put a camera, that doesn't seem right. And so I'll try to show some of it. I'm actually not a supporter of like putting the camera across someone working in their home for the sake of business or for the sake of social media. But I'll try to be respectful and record something for you. As suspected, I was not able to film a lot, uh, uh, but it's half day yet, and we are heading out for our lunch. We had some very fruitful discussions, like quite elaborate, and we met few weavers, artisans, and they seemed quite interested and very helpful, and we have had good discussions. Let's see how things pan out. um,
नाली होची नाली हला ना हां से गगुड़ा वाले